You get your paycheck, $5,000. You earned it. But you're never actually going to see that $5,000, not even close. Before the money hits your account, it's already being carved up, sliced, distributed. And the genius of it? You think this is normal. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly where your money goes, the real version, the one that explains why you can make six figures and still feel broke. What is a tax? A tax is money the government takes from you, not asks for, takes. You work, you earn, and before you touch it, a chunk disappears. You didn't authorize it, you can't cancel it, it just happens. Income tax, the first cut. Meet Alex, 28, software developer, makes $90,000 a year. Federal tax takes $13,500. State takes $4,500. That's $18,000 gone. He's down to $72,000. Income tax is progressive. More you make, higher percentage you pay. Sounds fair, right? But the truly wealthy don't make money from salaries. They make it from investments, capital gains, taxed at a lower rate. The doctor making $500,000 pays more percentage than the billionaire making $50 million from stocks. The system protects the top. Middle class, you're getting squeezed. Payroll tax, the hidden cut. Social Security, Medicare, another 7.65%. That's $6,885. Alex is down to $65,115 from $90,000. Lost $25,000 and hasn't bought anything yet. It's automatic, invisible, so it doesn't hurt like writing a check would. The pain is diffused, normalized. Property tax, you never really own it. Alex buys a house, $350,000. Property tax, $4,200 a year, forever. He paid income tax on the money, saved it, bought the house. Now he keeps paying just to keep what he bought. Missed payments? Government takes your house. Own it 30 years, paid off? Doesn't matter. You don't own property. You rent it from the government. Sales tax, taxed again. Groceries, $180. At checkout, $198. Sales tax. You paid tax when you earned it. Now you pay tax when you spend it. Rich people don't feel it. Poor people do. The invisible ones. Cigarettes, $10 of the $15 is tax. Gas, 50 cents per gallon. That imported TV, tariff passed to you. Sell stock for profit, 15% capital gains tax. Inheritance, estate tax takes 40%. They tax you when you're dead. Corporate tax, you pay this too. Companies pay 21% tax. Politicians celebrate. But companies don't pay taxes, people do. Higher corporate taxes mean higher prices for you, lower wages, lower retirement returns. It's a hidden tax on you. You don't write one check for $35,000. You'd revolt. Instead, it's taken in pieces. Paycheck, groceries, house, investments. Each piece feels small, but Alex makes $90,000, loses $35,000 to $40,000. That's 45%. He works until June just for taxes. The system hides this number because if you saw it, you'd be furious. They say it's progressive, rich pay more, but add all taxes, lower income people often pay higher total percentage. Billionaires' wealth, capital gains at 20%. Person making $60,000, payroll 7.65%, income 12 to 22%, sales, property. Middle class gets squeezed. Always. More money you have, less tax you pay percentage-wise. Rich people hire accountants, set up corporations, trusts. Amazon paid zero federal tax some years. Legal. You, W-2. Government knows what you made. You just pay. Tax code is 2,600 pages. That's not an accident. Complexity benefits those who can navigate it. Alex loses $38,000 yearly to taxes. $38,000 invested at 7% becomes $2 million in 20 years. That's the cost, not what you pay today, what you could have built, freedom. You can't escape taxes, but you can be strategic. The system taxes work harder than wealth. Max out 401k, IRA, HSA. Own a business if you can. Focus on keeping money, not just making it. Don't cheat. Understand the system enough to stop being the person it squeezes. The tax system is designed to extract maximum money with minimal resistance. That's why it's automated, fragmented, invisible. Every dollar you pay is a dollar that can't compound, can't buy freedom. The system wants you productive, compliant, dependent, not free. You'll pay taxes your entire life, but you don't have to pay blindly. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Then you make different choices. Not how do I make more, how do I keep more? That's the difference.
If this changed how you see money, taxes, or the system you're operating in, like the video, comment your thoughts, share it with your friends, push the hype button, subscribe to the channel for more, and don't forget to click the bell icon for updates.